Hey guys, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create XE Money Transfer account. With XE Money Transfer, you can send money to your loved ones in seconds across the world with complete security. So to create XE Money Transfer account, first of all, you need to install the XE Money Transfer application on your phone. Once you have installed it, open the app. Now you will land on the home page of XE Money Transfer. Here you can see the profile icon on the top left corner of your home page. Tap on this profile icon. After this, you need to tap on the last option here, sign in. Now, if you already have an account on XE Money Transfer, you can enter your email and password here and then simply log in. But since we need to create a new account, you need to tap on the register option right over here. Now enter your email that you want to use to create your XE Money Transfer account. Then enter your password and it should comply with all the conditions that is mentioned below the text box. Once you are done, tap on this box to agree to the terms and conditions and now tap on continue. With this, it will send a 6-digit verification code to your email address for verification. So go to the mail app on your phone. Then tap on the mail that you have received from XE. Now scroll down and here you can see the code. So remember or copy the code and then go back to the application and provide that code in here. Once you provide the code, it will be submitted automatically and that's it, your account will be created. Now if you want to sign in with Touch ID, you can use Touch ID or you can skip. And that's it, your account is created. You can go to the profile and see your account. So this is how you can create your account on XE Money Transfer. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel and I will be back with another video soon. Thank you for watching.